Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have another cat construction pack. This is a Mini Worker 3-pack. Woo, it's gonna be fun. Woohoo! Let's take a look at what's in this set. We have a track hoe, and if you push the button on the top, can you see those lights? Let's do it this way. You see those lights? Very cool. And it has wheels on the bottom so that it can roll. Let's see our front end loader. Does it have lights? See those light up? Let's see how you make them light up. Oh, if you push the wheels down, you see those lights going on? That one has really nice movement. Nice, great big wheels. Let's see our dump truck. And again, if you push the wheels, his lights come on. Wow. Very neat. See if we can get them all putting their lights on for us. Okay, look who's here with us. It's Rubble. Hi, everybody. We're going to have some fun today. We have Play-Doh. Yay! Play-Doh. We love Play-Doh. Okay, guys, it's time to get to work. First, we have to get all that dirt out of the way. We're going to need to use our track hoe for that and our dump truck. It doesn't turn very well, but that's okay. Whoa, look at how much he took that time. Let's load it on. Oops, he dropped it. Okay, he's ready to take the load. Wow, he has a huge load, doesn't he? Let's get into where he needs to drop it off. Woohoo! Great job! Now let's use our front end loader and get all those rocks out of the way. I think it can handle it, don't you? Whoa! The key's very, very, very strong. Good job. Let's bring those out of the way. All of our construction workers are very talented and very strong. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for lots more videos with your favorite toys.